In this video, I'll guide you through how to monitor Twilio usage effectively. Twilio is a powerful cloud communications platform that allows you to send and receive messages, make phone calls, and even build complex communication systems. With all these capabilities, keeping an eye on your usage is crucial to manage costs and ensure everything runs smoothly. First, let's start by heading over to Twilio's website. Open your preferred web browser and type in twilio.com. Once the page loads, you'll find yourself on Twilio's home page. If you haven't logged in yet, go ahead and enter your credentials to access your account. It's important to ensure that you have the necessary permissions to view and monitor usage details within your account. Once logged in, direct your attention to the left-hand menu. You'll see a variety of options here, but what we're interested in is the Monitor section. Click on Monitor and this will expand a list of sub-options related to monitoring your Twilio account. Among these options, you'll find Insights. Clicking on Insights will lead you to a dashboard full of useful data about your account and usage. This feature is incredibly helpful as it provides a comprehensive overview of how your Twilio services are performing, which can aid in making informed decisions and adjustments. After accessing the Insights section, the next step is to click on Billing Usage. This is a critical part of monitoring your Twilio account because it allows you to closely observe how your credits are being spent. Here, you'll find detailed reports and breakdowns of your usage, including calls, messages, and any other services you've been using. This information is essential for keeping track of your expenses and ensuring that your budget aligns with your communication needs. As you explore the Billing Usage section, take note of any patterns or spikes in usage. Understanding these trends can help you foresee potential issues and make necessary adjustments, such as optimizing your service configurations or setting up usage alerts to avoid unexpected charges. Remember, monitoring your Twilio usage isn't just about keeping costs down. It's about understanding how your communication strategy is performing and ensuring that your systems are running efficiently and effectively. One handy tip is to set up automated reports or alerts within Twilio, which can notify you of any unusual activity or when you are nearing your usage limits. This proactive approach can save you from sudden surprises on your bills and help maintain a steady, predictable budget. By following these steps, you'll be well equipped to manage your Twilio usage more effectively. Keep in mind that regularly monitoring your usage not only helps in budgeting, but also plays a pivotal role in improving your overall communication strategy. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful in understanding how to keep track of your Twilio account usage. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to explore Twilio's extensive documentation or reach out for support.